Hello, brothers and sisters. God bless. Let's get into the verse of the video. And today our verse comes from the book of Proverbs, chapter 11, verse 12. And it reads, "Whoever belittles his neighbor lacks sense, but a man of understanding remains silent." Alright, so I had a lot going on today, so I didn't make a video of the whole meal prep. But this is just to show consistency in the cooking, right? I finished my last meal prep, I move on to the next. So today we got quinoa, we got ground turkey, and we got sweet potato. So we're just gonna mix it up as much as we can. And I only cooked enough ground turkey to make sure that it doesn't go bad. So I'm gonna eat this, cook some more ground turkey, and start making some more. And I also have some extra sweet potatoes. So keep in mind, I'm not just eating this, I'm also eating oatmeal with some protein powder and bananas. I'm drinking protein powder, and I'm also eating eggs. So just something to think about. If you're trying to put on weight and put on muscle, it's hard to eat consistently and to eat as much as you're supposed to put on weight. Probably within the last month and a half or 2 months, I've put on maybe like 4 pounds, and I've been trying to eat. It's not as easy as it sounds, so just have your meals ready. That way you can just get ready to eat, because if you have to cook every time you want to eat, it makes things that much harder. So this is just something to look forward to, and just to keep this thing going. Thank you for your time, brothers and sisters. God bless.